Shameless Snacks sent me a free sample of their gummy candy, so let's check it out. First thing you're gonna notice about these, they come in several different flavors. This one is Orange Blossom Bliss, Strawberry Sour Splash, So Cool Cola, Sour Mango Madness, Wonderlicious Whales, and Sour Pineapple Punch. So let's give it a taste. You can see they come with a slight coating of sugar. They do come out very fresh and soft. They have a very sweet taste with just a little kick of sourness. But of course, the best part about these, only 3 grams of sugar and 8 grams of carbs. So they're perfect if you want a little snack on the go or to pack in your kids' lunch. They're also vegan and gluten-free, and I would definitely recommend these for anyone who has a sweet tooth.